Hello and welcome to this video on how to install the Microsoft Office suite. This applies to both Windows and Mac, as well as staff, faculty, and students. First, you're going to open up a web browser, then navigate to mymail.laccd.edu. Then log in with your student email. This is similar to what you use to log into the My College website. Next, navigate to the top left of the corner with the dots. Click on it, then click on Office 365. Now click on the drop-down option for Install Office and click on Office 365 Apps. It will now download a small little program that you'll need to open. Double-click on the file it downloaded. Now wait for all the Microsoft Office apps to download and install. This could take in between 30 minutes to an hour depending on the speed of your internet connection and your computer. Now that Microsoft Office has finished completing, we still need to activate the products. So go ahead and open up an Office product like Word. And then click on the Continue button to activate Microsoft Office. Click on Next. Click on Work or School Account. Then use your student email password. Then click on Yes. Then click on Done. Then when the license agreement opens up, click on Accept. And that's pretty much it. That concludes this video on installing and activating your Microsoft Office applications.